Continuing our discussion on pets and furniture, so far we've talked about sleeping with the pet in the same room next to the bed. But what if the dog has to leave the bedroom, maybe because of allergies or resource guarding or other issues? But let's say a dog has been sleeping with us in the past, we can try to make the transition easier for the dog by first maybe working on a relaxation protocol or some relaxed downstays outside of sleeping time. Once the dog begins to associate our leaving with only positive things, then we can start working on it during bedtime. At first, find a really nice spot for the dog to hang out in that's outside the bedroom. Reward that area heavily. And then in tiny stages, we can start leaving the dog. So in the beginning, we might need to sleep with the dog in their new area. And then we can slowly move ourselves further and further away from the dog. Something that might help along the process are things like a treat and train or a manners minder or other food dispensing toys, so we can feed the dog remotely as we move away from the dog. We can practice these exercises using barriers or eventually add the barriers in, because eventually we might want to use a baby gate at the bedroom door to keep the dog out if needed. Go at the dog's pace. Alone training could take a few days or a few weeks or a few months. Keep the dog well below threshold as you move further and further away. For some significant details on alone training, see Melina DeMartini Price's book on separation anxiety.